Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I remove an old set of POLYGEL nails. The first step is spraying the nails with 70% alcohol and pushing back the cuticles. Normally I speak Dutch in my videos, but I have found a text-to-speech option within my video editing program. She only speaks English, unfortunately. It saves me a lot of time. I begin with filing down the POLYGEL nails with my electric file, and I'm using a medium bullet bit. The POLYGEL is much softer than acrylic and can also be removed much better. You finish filing faster. That's one of the things I love about POLYGEL. You cannot remove POLYGEL in the same way as you do with acrylic. You cannot remove it with acetone. And what is a good way to remove POLYGEL? I will tell you. The only way to remove POLYGEL is to file it off. Now I always leave a very thin layer on the nail and everything grows out by itself. You can put a nice gel polish over it for the sake of beauty. But a clear gel polish also looks very natural. After I have removed most of the POLYGEL from the nails, I move on to the cuticles. Here I use the small ball bit. It removes dead skin and lifts the cuticles. I go from one side wall to the cuticle and then again to the other side wall. Watch with me. And then it's time to file the shape into the nails. I do this with the 180 grit file. Keep watching because this isn't the end yet. I always like this part because everything gets nice and smooth. I use the fine sanding band here. I set my electric file to 6,000 revolutions per minute. I fly over the nail and use absolutely no pressure. This is very important. Don't stay in the same place because that could hurt your client. Time to remove all the dust and trim the cuticles. I always only remove what is necessary because I always think the cuticles are there for a reason. Unless the customer wants it otherwise, of course. In the beginning, I always found cutting the cuticles very scary, but keep practicing is the key. Be careful but confident. Yes, the nails are done. See how natural it looks? Now you can choose clear gel polish or a fun color gel polish. Good luck and follow me for more nail videos.